So if I isolate for the y, right, what I end up getting is y is equal to minus 2, right? Let's switch these two positions together. So I get this. And then moving this to the other side, I get plus 4. So now we're in the form of a x minus h squared plus k, where a is minus 2, h is minus 3, and k has to be 4. Since this is less than 0, we know that the parabola has to face downwards. Combining these two, we know where the vertex is. It's at minus 3, 4. And the axis of symmetry is going to be, right, x is equal to h, which is minus 3. Okay, so let's draw that out. So here's minus 3 and here's 4. So we have a vertex right here. Okay, this is our vertex and we have to face downwards. So let's plug in for the point to the right of it. Okay, because the axis of symmetry is at minus 3, whatever the y value for this is, it's the same y value for minus 4. So plugging it into here, I get that y is equal to minus 2, and then plug that in. Minus 2 plus 3 squared plus 4. That's minus 2 times 1 plus 4. So that's going to be minus 2 plus 4, so that's just 2. Okay, so I get 2. So that's going to be right here. So this is also 2. So our parabola looks something like this.